You probably check your bank account at the end of the month and wonder where all your hard-earned money actually went. You are not buying luxury yachts or flying private across the world. You are just living a completely normal life and buying completely normal things. But that is exactly where the biggest financial danger actually hides. There are certain everyday purchases that society has convinced us are totally fine, but are secretly destroying our financial future. These are not massive investments gone wrong or terrible gambling habits. They are the socially acceptable habits that slowly drain your wealth over years and decades. Financial data from the past year shows that the average person loses thousands of dollars annually to things they do not even think twice about. If you want to finally build real wealth and stop feeling stressed about money, you have to identify these invisible traps. We are going to break down 10 incredibly common purchases that are secretly keeping you broke. I promise you are probably making at least 3 of these mistakes right now without even realizing it. But before we look at the biggest money pit of them all, we have to start with something small. Chapter 1: The Danger of Micro-Luxuries. The first trap involves the tiny things you buy every single day to make life feel a little bit better. We all know the classic advice about skipping your morning coffee to become a millionaire. That advice is slightly exaggerated, but the underlying psychology is entirely accurate. Grabbing an artisanal latte and ordering premium takeout for lunch feels like a completely normal reward for working hard. But these micro-luxuries are incredibly dangerous because they completely bypass your financial warning systems. Spending $15 feels completely harmless in the moment. However, when you repeat this behavior every single weekday, you are essentially burning a massive hole in your annual investment potential. The problem is not the coffee itself, but the mindless habit of convenience spending. You are trading your future financial freedom for a very brief moment of temporary satisfaction. If you took that same daily amount and put it into a basic index fund, the compound interest over 10 years would absolutely shock you. But micro-luxuries are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to draining your bank account. There is an even more insidious trap that automatically steals your money while you sleep. Chapter 2: The Endless Subscription Drain. We currently live in a world where absolutely everything has become a monthly recurring charge. You probably started with just 1 or 2 streaming services to watch your favorite shows. Now you likely have a gym membership you never use and 3 different software tools automatically renewing every month. Then there are the premium app subscriptions that you totally forgot you even signed up for last year. The subscription business model is specifically designed to exploit human forgetfulness and our natural resistance to canceling things. Companies know that once they get your credit card information, you will likely keep paying them for months or even years. These small monthly charges seem completely insignificant when you look at them individually, but when you add up all those $10 and $20 charges, they represent a massive chunk of your yearly income. You are essentially paying a heavy monthly tax just to maintain your baseline existence. The worst part is that you probably do not even use half of the services you are actively paying for right now. While subscriptions quietly drain your accounts, our next massive wealth destroyer usually sits proudly right in your driveway. Chapter 3: The New Car Wealth Illusion. Society has completely normalized the idea of financing a brand new car every few years. Driving off the dealership lot in a fresh vehicle feels like a massive personal achievement and a symbol of success. But buying a brand new car is mathematically one of the absolute worst financial decisions you can ever make. The moment your tires hit the public street, that vehicle immediately loses a huge percentage of its total value. You are taking out a massive loan and paying high interest rates on an asset that is guaranteed to plummet in value. Many people justify this by saying they need a reliable vehicle for their daily commute. But a gently used car from a few years ago offers the exact same reliability without the devastating depreciation hit. Car payments have become so entirely normalized that people just accept them as a permanent fact of adult life. You are essentially dedicating a huge portion of your future labor just to drive something shiny. But the pressure to always have the newest things doesn't just apply to the vehicles we drive every day. Chapter 4: the never-ending tech upgrades. Technology companies have brilliantly trained us to believe that our devices are obsolete after just 12 months. You probably feel a strong urge to upgrade your smartphone every single time a new model is announced. We convince ourselves that we absolutely need the slightly better camera or the slightly faster processor. We also fall into the trap of constantly buying new smart home gadgets and premium wearable technology. Upgrading your perfectly working devices is a massive drain on your ability to build lasting wealth. The incremental improvements between generations of devices are almost completely unnoticeable in your day-to-day life, yet we willingly hand over thousands of dollars to big technology companies just to feel modern and updated. This constant cycle of forced upgrades keeps you trapped on a treadmill of endless consumer spending. You are taking money that could be heavily invested and trading it for a device that will be worthless in 3 years. While technology companies trick us with shiny features, another massive industry tricks us by manipulating our basic human desire to look good. Chapter 5: The Fast Fashion Money Pit. Most people want to look presentable and feel confident in the clothes they wear every single day, but the rise of fast fashion has created a culture where clothes are essentially treated as disposable items. You might think you are saving money by buying cheap, trendy outfits instead of high-quality garments. The reality is that these inexpensive clothes fall apart incredibly quickly and force you to constantly buy more. This creates a terrible cycle where you are always shopping but never actually have anything good to wear. You end up spending way more money over time replacing cheap items than if you had just bought quality staples. Fast fashion also heavily relies on micro-trends that make your new clothes look completely outdated within weeks. You are constantly chasing a moving target of what is currently considered stylish and acceptable. Building a timeless wardrobe of durable clothing is a much better strategy for protecting your long-term financial health. Speaking of convenience, there is a relatively new habit that has completely exploded over the last few years and is destroying budgets everywhere. Chapter 6: The Heavy Price of Delivery Apps. The modern world has made it incredibly easy to get absolutely anything delivered directly to your front door. Whether it's a hot meal or your weekly groceries, delivery applications have completely taken over our daily lives. The convenience of tapping your screen and magically receiving food 30 minutes later is incredibly hard to resist, but you are paying a massive premium for this service through hidden fees and heavily marked up prices. A meal that would cost $15 at the restaurant can easily cost nearly $30 after all the extra charges. Relying on grocery delivery also prevents you from taking advantage of in-store sales and making smart bulk purchases. We often justify this massive expense by claiming we are saving valuable time that we could use more productively. However, most people just use that saved time to mindlessly scroll on their phones or watch television. You are bleeding significant wealth just to avoid taking a short drive or cooking a very simple meal. But the final trap on our list might be the most psychologically manipulative one of them all. Chapter 7: The Illusion of Massive Discounts. The most dangerous purchase you can make is buying something you don't need simply because it's on sale. Retailers use massive red signs and flash discounts to create a false sense of extreme urgency. When you see a high price tag slashed in half, your brain automatically thinks you are actually making money. You convince yourself that you are being financially responsible by taking advantage of such an incredible deal. But spending $50 on a discounted item still means you are entirely $50 poorer than you were before. If you are not planning to buy the item anyway, a sale price is just a clever trick to steal your money. Companies constantly run these promotions because they perfectly understand human psychology and our deep fear of missing out. True financial freedom comes from totally ignoring these manufactured shopping events and sticking to your intentional spending plan. By recognizing all 10 of these normal traps, you can finally plug the leaks in your budget and start keeping your wealth.